Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. Stochastic has slightly diminished into the positive zone. BMW stock has added 7.2% in the last two sessions. The ADX has shifted sharply into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.7% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has sunk into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.1% in the last session. Stochastic has transitioned into overbought territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Intel Corp, the world's largest chipmaker, said it's offering a revamped version of its Xeon range in time for what it sees as the biggest build-out of technology infrastructure in human history. Wall Street's main indices treaded water as investors stayed on the sidelines a day after the S&P 500 and the Dow closed at record highs on renewed recovery hopes. The International Monetary Fund raised its forecast for British economic growth, which is set to outpace the Eurozone this year after its slump in 2020, but is unlikely to regain its pre-pandemic size until sometime in 2022.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The UK's Market Services PMI will be released at 8:30 GMT, the Australian Trade Balance at 700 GMT, the US EIA Crude Oil Stocks Change at 14:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 500 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 GMT, Spain's Market Services PMI at 7:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.